Welcome to my Gadgets Material Review channel. Please, subscribe this channel. A515 Slim Laptop. 15.6 inches FHD 1920 by 1080 IPS Touch. Intel Core i5-134200H. Intel UHD Graphics. 16 GB LPDDR5. 512 GB Gen 4 SSD, Wi-Fi 6. Backlit KB, protective sleeve, A515-58 PT50UJ. For buy this product, click video description link. Product information. Standing screen display size, 15.6 inches. Screen resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Max screen resolution, 1920 by 1080 pixels. Processor, 2.1 GHz Apple_C5. RAM, 16 GB LPDDR5. Hard drive, SSD. Graphics coprocessor, Intel UHD Graphics. Chipset brand, Intel. Card description, integrated, wireless type, Bluetooth, 802.11 AX. Number of USB 3.0 ports. Warranty and support. Amazon.com return policy. You may return any new computer purchased from Amazon.com that is dead on arrival, arrives in damaged condition, or is still in unopened boxes, for a full refund within 30 days of purchase. Amazon.com reserves the right to test dead on arrival returns and impose a customer fee equal to 15% of the product sales price if the customer misrepresents the condition of the product. Any returned computer that is damaged through customer misuse, is missing parts, or is in unsellable condition due to customer tampering will result in the customer being charged a higher restocking fee based on the condition of the product. Amazon.com will not accept returns of any desktop or notebook computer more than 30 days after you receive the shipment. New, used, and refurbished products purchased from marketplace vendors are subject to the returns policy of the individual vendor. About this item, do what you do with exceptional performance. The 13th Gen Intel Core i5-134200H processor goes beyond performance to let your PC do even more at once. And Intel UHD graphics distribute performance where you need it most. With 16 GB LPDDR5 memory and 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, the Aspire 5 is made to do it all. Clear and comfortable viewing. Experience crisp, lifelike colors and sharp details on the 15.6 inches FHD IPS touch display. You have more space to work thanks to narrow bezels. Equipped with Acer's suite of visual technologies for dynamic color optimization and viewing comfort. The design, the slim 0.71 body give the Aspire 5 a premium feel and appearance. An ergonomic hinge design lifts the body of Aspire 5 and tilts the keyboard for comfortable typing, improved cooling and a better sound experience. Smooth operator. Make light work of your daily tasks, with a full lineup of features to elevate your day-to-day, like a 720p webcam and an air inlet keyboard. Internal specifications. 16 GB LPDDR5 memory, 512 GB